Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how I scale and prep my fish for cooking. So whether you're boiling, grilling or frying, you might find this video helpful. Prepping scaly fish is one task I used to hate doing, partly because of the mess that comes with it, as well as the time it takes to get the fish ready for cooking. But happy days are here, because now I can prep my fish in no time with the help of a fish scaler. So if you'll be cooking any scaly fish like the bass, hake or snapper, then you may have to do this process. Here I've got 5 pieces of the headless red bream, which I've left to defrost at room temperature. So what I'm basically doing here is holding up my fish, and I'll use the fish scraper to go against the scales. And you can see this immediately starts to flick off the scales. I find it much easier to scale a whole fish rather than scaling when it's already been cut up. Honestly, this scraper does a better job at getting all the scales out much quicker and a lot tidier, as the scales are not usually all over the place. And I also find it a lot safer because it helps avoid scrapes that you normally get from using a knife. I'm done scaling the fish, so now I'll take out all the guts. I've scaled all my fish and they feel nice and clean. So now it's time to cut them up. So I'll start by sharpening my knife, and I like to do this every time before use to make sure it stays nice and sharp. I'll cut up the fish into 2 or 3 pieces depending on how big it is. Now that my fish is all cleaned and cut up, I'll give it a quick rinse with some lime juice. The lime juice should get rid of any unpleasant smell, dirt or bacteria. Now my fish is all ready for seasoning. I'll be using half a tablespoon of salt, 1 stock cube, and half a tablespoon of dried parsley. So there you have it. You can go on to cook up some fresh fish stew or simply grill or fry for later use. For a video on how to cook Nigerian fish stew, click on the thumbnail after this video or click the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.